The 32-year-old woman accusing Strauss-Kahn of sexual assault is not being identified, but her attorney, Jeffrey Shapiro, is discussing the case, and we spoke about it with him last night. Did she have any idea when she did come forward that this would cause this international incident?
Not only did she not have that idea, she didn't even know who this man was until much later. What she did was quite simply escape from this, report it to security, who then called the police, and then all of these events took place after that.
Now that she sees some of the ramifications of coming forward with something like this against someone who is as powerful as Mr. Kahn, will she continue to press forward? Has there been any apprehension on her behalf to maybe say, you know what, this is not what I want?
Now she knows that it's her word against a man who is powerful and rich in the world, and she is grateful to be in a country where her rights are equal to his. And so is she reluctant to go forward? No, she will do what she's asked to do, and she will tell her story, and she's happy to do that because she's telling the truth.
When you open the papers this morning and you see that he is told, his attorneys have mentioned that this was consensual, how do you respond to that?
There was nothing about any aspect of this encounter between this young woman and the defendant which was remotely consensual, or could be construed as consensual, either physical contact or sexual contact.
If this does become a case of he said, she said, how much of a disadvantage is your client then at?
None, because she's telling the truth. And she can take the stand and testify to the truth.
And I know these questions have already come up and they'll continue to come up, but Mr. Kahn, because of the powerful position he's been in, has talked about, before even this incident even happened, that someone might conjure up a situation similar to this. Can you say unequivocally that there is no setup, there is no impropriety here?
Absolutely. Let me tell you what's extraordinarily unfair about this process. He can say whatever he wants. It's to his advantage, perhaps, to be in the public eye and to try to start spinning a defense. But in effect, what his defense amounts to is attempting to accuse the victim. And so she can't step forward. She's the victim of a sex crime. She can't take the public stage and talk about this, nor would she want to do that. Essentially, she has to sit and remain where she is, cooperating with the authorities until such time as she has an opportunity to step forth in court on the record before a jury and tell her story.